So, Doctor, how do you feel about the competition in the current scenario of dentistry here, especially where your clinic is located? How do you feel dentistry is upcoming at the moment? What do you feel about the competition?
Sir, this is something like very personal question, sir. Like out of our conversation, what we are having, but like I want to portray, like I'm a first generation dentist, sir.
Okay.
Point number one.
Okay.
And I came from middle class.
Okay.
My mother and father both are like government employees.
Okay.
And the third fundamental point, what I want to suggest is like competition will make you to race, sir.
Okay.
I always feel competition is only in the races.
I see. Okay.
Like this is not a race I want to do.
Yeah.
Like morning I get up, I don't want to be in race with my neighbor dentist or some generational dentist who is next to my clinic or some bigger corporates who are surrounding here. So there is competition everywhere, but the whole fundamental competition what I feel is within myself. How my skills are in 2022, how my knowledge is in 2022, how am I in 2023, how am I in 2024, and the doctors who are associated with me, how well they are growing, how much I am helping them to grow. And the clinicians whom we are hiring, how well they can give best to the patient. Okay. The competition is always has to be improved, how much best you are giving to the patient. You might be giving 9 points like out of 10 in 1 year, then you increase your skill. Then after that you are best at this particular point of time. So I don't feel competition or I don't think about any other people who are around me, sir. I don't think about who is next to me.
I see.
Even if there is one very bigger corporate that's going to come and stand next to my clinical setup also, I am fine. Okay. Because they do what they want to do, I will do what I want to do. Yeah. Because I'm not even thinking about them in my head. So when I'm not thinking about them in my head, where is the competition? The competition is always within myself and what good I am doing to my patients.
Perfect.
Like what best I am doing to the patient.
Yes.
Like that's it.
Yes.
And why should I even think about others? Because when I have to know about the new technology, I will go either online or I'll do some course or I'll learn some subject, I'll read a book. Yes. That is the competition what I feel. Yeah. That is where I need to improve, because like in 2024 like face scanners are coming, so I need to learn about them. So in 2023 I might be not knowing about that. So competition is always within myself, not about within anyone. Why? Because I don't want to be in race. When I'm in race, what is going to happen? I will see this as a business perspective.
No, that is true. That is true.
The whole fundamental core of me will change.
Right.
I'm seeing dentistry as a business perspective.
Yes, yes.
Like at one particular point, it is a business. Yes. But the core is to give the best to the patients.
True. That's a very good perspective.
So my perspective will change when I see it as a competition. So I don't want to see anything around me as a competition. We all should grow together, then only things will cherish. And so the second most fundamental, most important thing is, for example, some other dentist is giving a good equipment, and it will benefit the patient as such.
Yes, yes.
So there is no competition here as such when you think about it, sir. The competition is always in the ground.
Right.
When you don't have a proper amount of skill, when you don't have a proper amount of knowledge, when you are only relying on a bigger setups, only relying on the generational wealth, then you are very much bothered about the people around you. Right. When you believe in yourself, when you are believing in your cuts, when you are believing in your guts, when you are believing in your capacity, when you are believing in your skill, and when the God and parents' blessings are on you, then you are not bothered about all these things. You are just bothered only about the patient who is sitting straight in front of you. You are not thinking about anyone else.
That's a very good perspective. So.
Yeah.